I'll whoop your head, boy. You know I will. I'll whoop your head, boy. With the back of the steel. I'll whoop your head, boy. Your cap to get peeled. I'll whoop your.
It looks like oil.
Hey, that's what we had.
Look at that. Look at that. This room's definitely fucked. Look how bad that is.
Oh yeah.
How far did you drive it like that? Definitely struck something right there. Oh, that's definitely a fucking. I think that's trans.
Dude, the whole back of the car on the windshield and everything. Holy fuck. That is oil.
Yeah, he said it was transferred, but touched the puddle of oil. She's down.
Pull. What is this, bro? That's part of the belt.
Is it?
Right there.
Yeah, you're dead. Dude, holy fuck. I think it pushed the whole fucking car. Dude, oh my god.
Wait, both. The whole, oh, it jumped the whole radiator. Everything came up for a sec. Bruh, I'm not even fucking with you. If you take this to insurance, they're totaling it.
But we can buy it back. I mean, fuck it.
Bro, that is wild. The whole front cooling system jumped up.
The intercooler definitely hit the boulder, which is what made it jump.
Yeah. The intercooler don't look bad still, though.
I know. I don't know. Man, this thing's fucked.
You know, I ain't gonna lie to you.
There's gotta be.
It's fucked.
Hey, I want to buy a built fucking single turbo.
Built single turbo? You're just not gonna calm down for a year, get maybe like a Toyota RAV4 or something?
Man, there's brand new fucking tires, man.
I know. It's...
Hey, what do we do with my stock suspension? Want anything off the car before I get rid of it?
Shout out the boys at A&M because this man hit a mountain last night and the intercooler is fine. But BMW's radiator couldn't handle it, huh? Little belt rippage. Them strippers, huh?
Ain't nothing wrong with it.
They took all the Carson's money last night.
Hey man, let me show you what I'm working with.
Yeah! This man got a lap dance and they opened his wallet and took all of his money.
I wasn't even live.
Fuck,
That bitch is gapping.
we're getting food while we're on the tow truck.
Remember we were checking cars. Now safety. What? Superstar helping. Now I'm reminiscing. Remember we were checking cars.
Oh, they're fucking racing for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You're getting, yeah.
Man, this thing is fucking fast.
Here she goes again.
Never even white girl to me.
There it is. That wheel's fucked. This whole front wheel is off the line. Look how far back it is. There's oil everywhere. And this wheel, bro, is so off. Alright, so it's been a couple days since that last clip. I'm headed to Mason's right now so we can check out the car. I know the insurance looked at it a little bit, but we're actually coming up on the turn where he did wreck. If you guys remember in that last video, it was all ice, like right here. Everything was ice. It was a really shitty day. This is all from him. All this. He hit that rock back there. He was probably ripping it, slid on black ice, and then he ran over that rock. He drove it about another 10 minutes down the road after that happened. As you all saw, there was fluids all over the road. That was all from him. We're almost positive it's oil, maybe some trans fluid in there, but we're gonna look at it a little bit now. Like I said, we really can't look at it too much though because his insurance has to handle it. You boys already know we had to get the cold oil rip in for the day. You know what they say? Cold oil rip a day keeps the misfires away. Sad sight to see right here. Now they told me Mason's back in his backyard with his rental car.
What's up, man?
I'm so lost. Okay, I was literally like, there's no way Beep is in the backyard.
Dude, wouldn't that have been cool though?
That'd have been sick as fuck. I think we should do it. Y'all have to see Mason's rental car. It's the funniest thing in the world. It's like you picture Mason and then you see him in this car and it just doesn't add up, but it's great. Well, we sat on the couch and it got really dark really quick.
Well, it's just lazy.
Give him a rundown on Chevy Meat Man.
Keep this fucking thing, fellas.
Look at this mother.
I'm pretty sure I can pick this bitch up.
It fits you perfectly, man. Oh shit, here we go. All right, look, I said we cut the bullshit and we just like get wipes and buy Chevy Meeps. All right. All right.
Beside the point.
No, sell this. Buy that. Did you just spit on it?
Right on it.
Oh,
there it is.
This man literally spit on it.
Time out. Go ahead, look at it.
Oh, you was getting fucked, huh? So what insurance do?
Going to passport BMW. Look at this shit though.
Oh.
What do you think you're gonna do right here? Give me a whole new one.
Carbon hood? All right, well, first off, as you all already seen, radiator definitely like jumped or something wild. Oh yeah, that's all loose. Well, every plastic piece is probably broken.
And look at how close these pipes.
I feel like that's always been like that. All right, let's pop my hood. See?
maybe.
It's the same shit. You're tripping.
Maybe.
Start this bad boy up right now.
That's the keys or anything. You don't know what's causing them. Oh, y'all got lucky.
Oh my god. He was dead ass ready to start with no oil in there. All right, hold on. No one even knows what happened. So,
All right, so
what happened? This was after the strippers. They already know that.
I was on my way home, after a good night. I had a little piece of ice and ran over a rock. That's where we're at now. You can see.
He definitely hit on passenger side. This whole rim is fucked. It's bent.
But no, look at the way that one's facing.
Yeah, the whole alignment's off too.
That one.
I feel like mine would sound like that too when you're just give mine a little jiggle.
No, it locks out.
Oh yeah, I don't hear nothing up here like I did on yours. Honestly, do you think it's total?
I don't know.
I think it's gonna be closed. Definitely
I
gonna be
hope
closed.
the trans went.
You hope the trans went.
Well, if they don't fucking total it, then sweet, I get a brand new fucking trans.
I feel like a brand new BMW trans is total. Like if that
You
was
think?
the only thing wrong with it, it's total.
If I get a brand new one, everybody can suck my dick. I can come get this thing for 37.
37 grand.
37.
How do you think all the oil got on the back bumper? That makes no sense. Because that's definitely oil.
I mean trans.
But regardless, how did it get up all on here?
Because I was driving and it was fucking dripping, dropping.
Why'd you hit the rock and keep going? Who's it going to your head?
I don't fucking know. I was done. I mean, I don't know. I was so fucking mad.
Because he drove a good bit. This tells it all. Well, there's definitely a nice scratch
What
there.
happened right here?
Telling you, they're gonna like tell you that you need a new bumper. The grill took a little hit too.
The hood's off center.
Something's definitely off with the steering rack, but you just moved it when you did
That's
it.
a movement.
Check it again. It's moving on its own. Oh.
All right, guys, it's total. If you want to come get it, 15.
15,000. Yeah, and Mason will give you like a sturdy handshake with that 15 grand.
You'll get a real sturdy one.
Yeah, I mean, we can't really look at it right now, but we're gonna let y'all know whenever BMW looks at it and shit. The whole trans cooler. Take a good little hit right there.
You know, I just said my oil pan gasket needs to get replaced.
Oh, believe it or not, there's a lot that needs to get replaced. Oh, but I'll tell you what, I'll give you my paddle shifters since I got carbon ones coming. I can give you those for free ski. I don't know how much shifting you're gonna be doing, but you know, it could look great in the fucking, it could look great in the driveway, man. You want them bad boys?
Yeah, I fucking want it. The exhaust is all fucking bent up too. Well, I mean, I went fully over this motherfucker.
Yeah, I know you did. And then another 10 miles after when you went over it. Made sure it was fully blown.
Yeah, man, fuck. Even though you didn't make a bad car.
But God made one hell of a rock.
That's very true. It's a sad day.
Man.
But on the bright side,
That guy right there.
we do got 4 wheels.
Just look at it.
Look at that piece of shit right here. Look. Hold on, everybody come over this way.
All right, now we're getting exclusive on Carson's whip. Oh yeah, it's been a bad 2022.
Dude,
That was Mason's head, right? That was your head.
Oh, yeah, it was my head.
Y'all need to just stop driving. Like,
Hold on,
if y'all need rides, just call me. Y'all know you can't drive in ditches, right? Are we keeping it?
It's getting bought back regardless of the fucking damages.
He was showing me in the basement a $42,000 truck, so.
Get that. But this thing will just sit there for a while.
Yeah, it'll sit right here. This thing cranks over. This is a one hard motherfucker here. And there she goes.
It just made some noises. Oh my God, what's going on?
That might have been the slowest wipe known to man.
That was so slow.
Man, this bitch is freaking the fuck out. Look at it.
Oh yeah, it's off a perk. The blades, bro, they're going so slow.
Well, that's unfortunate.
Your BMW
Look
went
at
to
the
a
lights.
Travis Scott concert.
Look at the light.
All right, so he just said I couldn't do a kickflip, right? I got slippers on. Yeah, no, I could really fuck some shit up right there.
Now he's critiquing the board. You.
Whoa!
Look out! First try, Tony Hawk.
Watch the car.
I got to.
Doesn't count.
Hey!
All right, you want to see a tray flip? Do this.
Come on.
Look, I used to skateboard, right? Not anymore. It's been like 5, 6 years.
Man, you can't even pick up a board.
We're done with the skateboarding segment of today. It fits you good, man. It fits you good.
Listen to your fucking tick, you dickhead.
Get your meep out of here, man. We're going snowboarding tomorrow. Come on, man. Call out. Call out, call out, call out, call out, call out. I can't, the window's up, man. I can't hear you. All right, so I left Mason's house. His insurance is coming to pick the car up tomorrow morning and take it to BMW to get it looked at. Ooh. All right, fellas. Today we're going snowboarding. I'm fucking up this peanut butter and jelly right now. Speaking of fucking up, NBA Youngboy's label took down my last video, so I had to put jazz music over it. Not going snowboarding today is not Pusha P. Going snowboarding today is, in fact, Pusha P.
She not a lesbian for P, she turned lesbian.
Lesbian! Pusha P!
Capital P, I purple paint.
They'll be like, he got way too much energy for 7 a.m. Right here on the slope. Shout out Lil Dicky. I look like a fucking 10-year-old with his haircut, bruh. Fuck him. Woo! You bitch gonna get stuck in the washer.
It's your one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. Made it out of jungle, my ball ain't got no jumper. Rest in peace, my uncle. Never met, but I still love you. Remember that pussy from way back, playing I pay on the popper. Stayed in the hood where the killers at, made my pillow a chopper. This ain't that what you looking at, and we didn't know that.
I'll tell you what, there's nothing better than taking off snowboarding boots after snowboarding. And we got an update on the merch. I hope to, they sent me an update and they said it should be done soon. So you guys are gonna know as soon as I know. Like the video, this is it, man. And Young Wanda and Louise, man, this shit too easy.
It's your one and young Weezy, man, this shit too easy. Different bitch for every season, showing me they cleavage. I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. Made it out of jungle, my ball ain't got no jumper.